You will learn how this person made over $2 million income online from just one underrated yet high demand skill that takes 60 to 90 minutes of work. This is the income of only one person, while there are over 9,148 people making more or less same income from the same system. Quick hint, it just needs free images, free text, and free links. You can make this kind of money too using my software Epic and the step-by-step process I'm about to share in this video. Stay tuned, watch the full video to get the full training. Oh, by the way, Epic is free for you. Link is in the description, go get it. This system is 100% beginner friendly and you can start doing it and start making money starting today without any website, without hosting server, without creating products, without driving traffic, without any experience, and without technical knowledge. You can get paid using PayPal, using bank transfer, using Stripe, or any other methods, including crypto or digital currency. Our goal is to help 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by making money online in the next 10 years. We can't do it alone. We need your help. And you can help us by simply hitting the like and the share button below this video. Like and share tells the YouTube algorithm that they should show this video to more and more people. This can educate people on how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, money, and energy. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family on Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Reddit, Telegram, WhatsApp, emails, and everywhere else. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button to get notified about our future videos. Your chances to hit your first $1 million with this method are super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the exact same system and make money from YouTube. But we use our own application Epic for this. We recently made $1,000 from 166 visitors that we got from our videos, which is more than $6 per visitor, and $6,000 from 1,000 visitors. And we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors that we got from our video. If you hate shooting videos with cameras, Epic will help you make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. You don't need to record your voice using a microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. With one push of a button, Epic's built-in artificial intelligence writes the scripts for your videos. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. They can use our videos as templates from inside their user dashboard and make their own videos using them. You're going to get Epic free today from the link in the description. Plus, we will tell you how to make $2 million using this. Full disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. We can't guarantee how much money you will make, but we will show you the system that thousands of people are using to make money online. I used to pay a lot of money for making explainer videos for my offers. In the past, I hated shooting videos with cameras and microphones. A lot of individuals and businesses have the same problem, so they use explainer videos. This demand has created thousands of freelancers and agencies who started offering explainer video service. This one individual on Fiverr charges $75 for 1 minute video from a single order, and this particular seller has over 5,000 positive reviews and 5-star ratings and has made over $2 million from offering explainer video service. At this rate, if you take 1 hour to create a 1 minute video and you make 4 videos per day, you will make $300 per day, which is $9,000 per month from Fiverr working 4 hours per day. Over 8,000 people look for explainer videos on Google every month. 46,700 people are looking to learn explainer videos on YouTube every month. Udemy has 5,130 337 courses, while Skillshare has 3,088 courses on explainer videos. But the problem is explainer video creation softwares are not cheap. Existing softwares in the market will cost you from $30 per month to $79 per month for just one software, and they come with limited access. Don't worry, this is why we created Epic. Epic will solve your problem. You're getting Epic for free from the link in the description. So here is the action plan. Use the link in the description and create free trial account of Skillshare and learn everything about explainer videos. Take notes in my software Epic, use built-in artificial intelligence and turn those notes into your own short videos under 60 seconds long. Get Epic from the link in the description first. Once you have Epic, each video you make using Epic can make you money in 3 different ways. Money method 1. You can offer explainer video service on Fiverr and make $75 or more for every 1-minute video. Money method 2. My favorite. Learn free from Skillshare and make your own course modules using Epic. Sell your course on Udemy and charge $11 to $300 for your course. The best part about Udemy is they send customers to help creators sell. You can also make videos on other niches that easily go viral. I made more videos about these viral and profitable niches. Links are in the description, go watch them. You can also make tutorial or training videos about softwares or courses and other stuff. They are very popular and go viral easily. Here are a couple of amazing examples. I just searched with how to on YouTube and went to Shorts feed and found these videos. First video got 102,000 views. The second one, 936,000 views. Third one, 7.4 million views. Another one, 129 million views. Another one, 6.9 million views. Another one, 9 million views. Another one, 18 million views, another one 1.2 million views. How cool is that? Now imagine making $5 from each of the views just like us. How much money will you make from these views? I am showing you Shorts because Shorts is a new feature for YouTube and YouTube is promoting Shorts and Shorts creators to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. That's why every time you search on YouTube, you will see a specific Shorts feed immediately after the first few videos.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.